Hi everyone, in this video you will learn 5 Excel tricks and formulas that will improve the way you work with large data. These tricks will definitely help you save hours of time. So without wasting time, let's go to Excel and get started. We have some employee data of first name and last name, and we want to have a new column of full name that combines first name and last name. Instead of manually writing full names one by one, what we will do is we will write this first full name and then select all these cells and press Ctrl E to have all the full names in one go. Next, we have this data of date of birth of all these employees, and from this data, we want to find out what their exact age is. Now, instead of manually calculating in your head, click on the first cell here and we will write this formula. Equals datedif bracket, we will select the date of birth of this first employee, comma, today, comma, y, this y means year, because we want the age in years, hit enter. Then select all these cells and press Ctrl D, and we have exact age of all these employees. Now we have the task of giving all of these employees their employee number or employee ID. Also, the employee ID should start with CP and then the number. Now, instead of writing manually one by one for each employee, we will use a formula here. We will write equals CP and text bracket sequence bracket again the number of employees we want, comma, and then we will specify 3 zeros because we want 3 digits after CP. Now press enter and we have employee IDs for all the employees in one go. We have more data of our employees now. We have their email addresses and street addresses. Now these email and street addresses are not visible because the column width is really small. Now instead of adjusting the width and height one by one, what we will do is we will select all the data by pressing Ctrl A, then press Alt HOA to auto adjust row heights and press Alt HOI to auto adjust column widths, and everything can be seen clearly now. Lastly, when we scroll down through the data, it can be difficult for someone to recognize that if this is the first name or this is the first name. In this case, we want to fix these headers so that the data is identifiable easily. To do this, we will press Alt WFR, and now if we scroll down, the headers are fixed and the confusion is no more. These were some of the basic tricks and formulas in Excel. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Drop a comment below with topics you would like me to cover next. Till then, keep learning and I'll see you in the next video.